do I meal prep on a budget? I literally just posted a video on how to stop overeating, and one of my tips was to meal prep. So I'm showing you guys exactly what I do. As you see, this is $7.99 for this ground beef. This is perfect if it's only for you, but I'm going to get the $12.99 because it's more than one person that I'm meal prepping for right now. And like I said, $7.99 is perfect for you. It actually can last about a week. That can last about a week. I like to switch out the meats. Like, for instance, bison's good, lean meat. But right now we're just doing ground beef. And also, every week, do not eat ground beef at the same time. That makes sense. So alternate. So 1 week do chicken, 1 week do ground beef, 1 do salmon. Now, let's get some rice. I know this is very controversial because a lot of people say rice is not healthy, but like I say, you cannot give up everything. I cannot give up everything. So you can get the big bag of rice. It's like about $2 for a big bag, but I don't want to say I don't have a lot of time. Oh, that sounds bad. I'm just in a rush. That sounds even worse. Hold on. I'm not in a rush for anything. Hold on. I'm just going to get these 2 bags instead. I love Uncle Bam, the best rice. And it's instant. It's only about 90 minutes. 90 seconds. Is it seconds or minutes? Okay, you know what? See, as you see, I don't really cook that well, but anyway. So I just grabbed the 2 bags. 2 bags are $2.99. And mind you, I have a coupon too. I am very frugal when it comes to stuff like this, and I know a lot of people have been complaining about the pricing of food and how groceries is not going any lower. But I have a coupon. I suggest you look up coupons as well. And of course, this is the main thing that you need. The most important thing actually is some type of vegetable. So I'm getting broccoli. That's actually my favorite. And actually, broccoli is so easy to reheat. It tastes still good. And I thought people was playing when they said the eggs are so expensive. They are really expensive. It's $11.99 for those and $8.99. I still grab some eggs because I like to eat eggs. And this is another thing. I like to eat yogurt as a snack, and they're on sale, 8 for $10. That's a deal. And yeah, I have a whole meal. This is going to last me about a week. Everything that I purchased today is going to last me about a week. But that is it. That is how I meal prep. And I forgot to add something to drink. You want something with low calories. This is actually sparkling water. It tastes so good. It's 10 for 10. I love these. It's perfect for when I go to work. Yeah, so that's it. That's how I do it.